money can buy happiness?
No.
Maybe it can help you on the way, but
Actually, yep.
No, money can't buy happiness.
So do you believe money can buy happiness?
Well, it bought me this pan me, so yes.
Excellent. Do you believe money can buy happiness?
No.
Why?
I think happiness can be found within.
Yeah.
I don't think money can buy happiness. Maybe it can help you on the way, but it cannot get you happiness alone.
So do you believe money can buy happiness?
Actually, yep. I think you can buy it. Because if you have a lot of money, you can travel around the world and don't think about anything.
Do you believe the money can buy happiness?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because I've been enjoying experiences more than I've been enjoying spending money on items.
Do you believe money can buy happiness?
No, money can't buy happiness.
Why?
Because you just have to find happiness through your experiences and through life and the people you meet.
So do you believe money can buy happiness?
No, but it helps. It makes life easier, I think. Yeah. But no, it does not, no.
Would you like to say something to Vietnamese students?
Study hard. Never give up on your dream. And eventually you will get there, as long as you do not give up.
I hope this video has been useful for you guys. So please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. And now, bye!